I'm back with another video, and this is pertaining to the Tesla Model Y reveal. The Tesla Model Y performance was revealed today, and unfortunately it's not for the US market yet, but it is for the European market. And right now, wise, it's around 62,000 European, which is roughly around 70K US. So we don't know how high it will be in the US, but hopefully not too high compared to the Model 3 Performance, which is around 50 in the 50,000 range. So, if it comes at 70,000, that's a big increase, but hopefully not. Stat wise, it has improved range wise as well. So the range is 360, not that far from the long range version of the Model Y long range. I think it's like 6 less, which is not too bad for a performance SUV. Also, 0 to 60 in 3.3 down from 3.5. And also the body and the styling is slightly different, more aggressive in the front bumper, and the diffuser in the back, and the nice looking spoiler as well. Interior wise, it's similar to the Model 3, but this is the first not well, mid-sized Tesla that the screen size has increased besides the, introducing a bigger screen in the Tesla Cybertruck. So the Model Y Performance is sporting a 16-inch screen, high definition at that. And I hope, it's kind of strange how the other Model Y, the long range and the non-long range haven't gotten a screen increase, but hopefully this is a sign that when they are produced after the Model Y Performance is out on the road, this means that the screen will be increased for those other models as well, and hopefully the Model 3 as well, but we'll see. What are your thoughts on this, guys? Will this really help Tesla, in the sales department, or are you guys waiting for the Model Y, quote unquote, budget friendly vehicle, which is rumored to be around 25 or under $30,000? Leave your comments down below. Peace.